YouTube. So I am so excited because this is my first tutorial. It is a hair and makeup tutorial, and as you can see, it's been inspired by Rosie The Riveter slash a pinup girl type look. And believe it or not, this is my signature look. I don't wear it every day, but I wear it quite often, maybe about 60 to 70% of the time. Yeah, I know that's a lot, but I don't know. I'm just kind of feeling this air. So, yeah, wearing this bandana with it, I wear this little sheer tatered scarf, which I probably throw away and get another one. But yeah, so if you want to see this look from start to finish, stay tuned. All right, so we're going to start off with an all-over application of MAC Studio Fix, and mine is in NW45, or it can be a powder foundation of your choice. And my eyebrows are already done to save time for the video. And so we want to apply this all over the eyelids as well, because we will not be using eyeshadow for this look. And the goal of this look is to create a really dry matte finish, because back in the 1940s all they had was powder foundation. So kind of one-dimensional, and we will be doing light contour for this look, so sort of the old meeting the new, somewhere in the middle. So next we are going to do a winged eye with gel liner by L'Oreal. So with an angled brush at the corners of the eye, you want to create sort of a scaling triangle. And what I do is I outline it first, sorry, and then I fill it in later on. So now I'm just filling it in, and it appears to look light initially, but after I apply the lashes, I will put another band of eyeliner on top of the lash. And now I'm applying the mascara. So I will be using MAC's Prolongwear in NW40 for a concealer and highlight. And I apply that with my fingers underneath my eye. And I also blend it out with my fingers as well. So now taking a blend sponge, I blend it out more to create a flawless finish. So now I'm just highlighting the bridge of my nose. And I'm also blending that out with my finger. Alright, so using my Sleek Contour Kit in medium. I will contour my nose. And the brush that I'm using is actually a crease brush from Eco Tools. Alright, so now I'm going to set my highlight with a setting powder, an HD setting powder from Dermablend, which is amazing. It's the only setting powder that I use, and I'm actually running out. I need to get some more. Alright, so now I'm about to contour my cheekbones using the same Sleek Contour Kit. Alright, so now we're applying blush. It's called Stubborn by MAC. And it tends to come on really heavy, so I'm just doing light strokes. Alright, using my contour kit from Sleek, I just use the opposite side of my blush brush and put it on the top of my cheekbones. As you can see, it gives off this nice glow. Now I'm about to line my lips with Chestnut by MAC. And my favorite lipstick of the moment is Ruby Woo by MAC. And I'm just going to apply that. Since Ruby Woo is very matte, you might want to moisturize your lip beforehand. I don't, but you might want to do that. And because I do have soup coolers, my bottom lip tends to hang a little low, so the lipstick does not catch in that area. So what I do is I get a cream lipstick, and mine is by Revlon. It's called Blackberry, and kind of blend that out. And it also makes the color more rich. Now apply my lashes. And after applying the lashes, I take a liquid eyeliner and make another band over on top of my lashes. Alright, so that's it for the makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed it. Alright, so now on to the hair. As you can see, I changed my clothes to get into character. And I'm just spraying my hair down with some water. Alright, so now I am going to do a basket weave going upward. And I really don't know how else to explain this, but to just let you all see it. But I will point out that you can make the weave bigger or smaller depending on how much hair you take on the side. So my weave is pretty big, or pretty thick I should say, but you can make it smaller than that, or make it more tighter. So I'm going to secure that with a bobby pin. And actually I wear my hair like this a lot, this style, but this is not the look we're going for. So I want to create a pompadour with the rest of the hair that's left out. So I kind of group all the hair together and kind of fold it. But if your hair is not as thick as mine, then you can put something in it like a sock or something in it. And I secure that with a hairpin. And you could use as many hairpins as you need to secure all your hair. And any hair that's sticking out, I kind of just tuck it in. Alright, so I'm going to take this bandana and fold it in half, making a triangle. And I fold it again. And then one more time. And I just wrap it around my head. And I secure it with a double knot. Alright, so that's about it. Thumbs up for my first tutorial, yay! So I posted a picture on Instagram and I got a really great response from my Instagram picture. And I want to thank you all for inspiring me to do this look. So please don't forget to rate, subscribe, and comment. And thank you all for watching. Bye.